What's up, guys? Today I figured I'd make a video since I'm gonna end up taking this guy to court. I patched the ceiling up and I got some discontinued tiles coming to me. I went to Home Depot and they matched the color just in case the other ones come in brighter. But what you're looking at here is a little thing I made, and this is just a paint stick. It's adjustable, and then I got two 5-gallon buckets. And the purpose of that is you got tongue and a lip on these tiles. So the tongue goes in this side, and then we'll put some construction adhesives, liquid nails or whatever, 4 dabs, and then you'll put staples in, and you'll work your way back. But when you get back to here, you can see here's the tongue part. And then the lip would, be under there. This one would slide in, and then you'd put the 2 staples. Well, the 2 staples that you're not going to get them in there, so you're going to have to put 4 dabs of, like you see over there, the construction adhesives, liquid nails. And they're going to have to be supported somehow, because I'm not going to stand there and hold them. So took some 3/4 inch plywood, used a 13/16 spade bit, and then some craft foam. And with this paint stick, that's what that came out to. I did not go through the whole thing. It was just enough to, hold that stick in place. And then down here in the bucket, all I did was drill the 13/16 hole. And we'll get a shot here of how this thing works. So you just untwist it. This will slide down, and then if you look at the bucket, it's just a hole, and that round part, it'll sit in there. And then as you go up, you could give it just enough pressure, and then you give it a little twist, locked in place, and it'll stay.